Welcome to RAG System Essentials. In this course, we will go through a complete overview of what a RAG system is, how it works, and how you can build one from scratch. Before we dive in, I want you to think about something. While working with LLMs like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, have you ever faced situations like these? You ask, tell me about LangGraph, and the LLM says, I don't have information on that, simply because LangGraph was released after its training cutoff. Or you ask, what does our HR leave policy say about paternity leave? And the LLM gives you a complete generic answer because it has never seen your internal documents. Or you ask it to summarize last quarter earning call, and it confidently makes up numbers, hallucinating with no grounding whatsoever. So here's the question I want you to sit with. What if your LM could look up the right answer before responding? That is exactly what this course is about. By the end of this course, you will be able to do four things. First, you will be able to explain how RAG system works end to end, from raw documents all the way to generated answers. Second, you will be able to build a complete retrieval using document loaders, chunkers, embedding models, and vector databases. Third, you will be able to implement multiple retrieval strategies including similarity search, multi-query, and hybrid BM25 plus dense retrieval. And fourth, you will be able to evaluate your RAG system using real metrics. Here is how the course is structured. We start with an introduction to RAG, where we build the foundational understanding of what a RAG system is and why it matters. We then move into the core module, steps involved in RAG, where we go deep into every component of retrieval pipeline one by one. And finally, we end with hands-on project, where you will put everything together and build a real working RAG system from scratch. Now, let's quickly look at the tools you will be working with throughout this course. We will use LangChain as our orchestration framework, Google Gemini as our primary LLM and embedding model, and ChromaDB as our vector database. Now, what do you need before you begin? On the technical side, you need Python, access to Google Colab or local Jupyter environment, a Google Gemini key, or an OpenAI API key. We will show you where to get these at the start of the course. On the knowledge side, you need a basic understanding of what an LLM is and a basic understanding of what embeddings are. That's it. No deep ML background required. If you have those covered, you are ready to go. Thank you for watching this course overview. I'll see you in the next video where we will be introducing RAG.